Schaefer! Whoa! 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 Oh my God! No! No! Whoa! Whoa! No! It's not fair that me, Kevin, got away with it. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, everybody. We got some drama, and I was heavily involved in this drama. As a matter of fact, this drama cost me like 150 subscribers, and then apparently I bought bots for myself, which, honestly, we all know Scott Schaefer did it. But we got to talk about me, Kevin, and his DUI. Apparently, his DUI case has been tossed out. Now, a lot of people are going to get really, really mad and say, it's a conspiracy theory, and it's not fair, and the rich live by a different set of rules, and if this guy was a minority, he would have not gotten away with it. He would have been sent to jail for all eternity. And I say that's complete and utter BS. Now, I was watching this Piss Norland video, Chris Norland, who's, by the way, a massive scammer, a liar, a loser, who deletes old videos where he pumped a bunch of garbage stocks and then pretends he never did it and then pretends he cares about you. Apparently, he made a video about this subject, about me, Kevin's DUI going away, while he was walking around Seoul. And basically the whole gist of the video was the rich live by a different set of rules, and, you know, me, Kevin, can basically do whatever he wants. He could go and, like, massacre 500,000 people and just, there would be no consequences, blah, 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 blah. And, you know, white privilege, blah, blah, blah. Whatever, you know, Chris Norland has to say to, I don't know, put out his crappy content. I have a more reasonable theory about why me, Kevin's DUI got tossed out. Now, before we get into that, okay, remember, me, Kevin's DUI basically made Scott Schaefer's channel. Scott Schaefer posted the footage of Meet Kevin's DUI because he's a clout-chasing freaking loser. Now, I don't mind criticizing Meet Kevin because he, I don't know, picks trash stocks, which he does. He picks horrible stocks. You can trash Meet Kevin for his courses. But the whole thing with the DUI, I never understood it. Yeah, it's stupid. You shouldn't drive drunk. He could have had anybody else drive the car. Nobody got freaking hurt. He got pulled over by the law. And it has nothing to do with his stock picks or his courses. But of course, YouTube, they don't care about Meet Kevin's courses. They don't care about Meet Kevin losing 90-95% on so many of these stocks, or at least pumping stocks that went down that much. No, all that matters are the most insignificant things that have nothing to do with me, Kevin. I was totally against this whole freaking kerfluffle of going after me, Kevin, because of the DUI. And at the end of the day, I was like, you know what's going to happen? He's probably just going to get it tossed out, okay? And guess what happened? It got tossed out. Now, Scott Schaefer, you know, he's whining and complaining. Oh, it's not fair, you know. Me, Kevin got away with it. Florida taxpayer dollars got wasted. Well, I want you to listen to this clip really quick, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about why this happened. Take some freaking notes, and remember, it was you. It wasn't me, Kevin. It wasn't the white man conspiracy theory, white privilege. It wasn't whatever you want to think it was because he's rich. No, it was actually your fault that me, Kevin, got away with it. Take notes.
Yeah, apparently when the attorneys told the judge that we're taking it, my attorney called me back and said, hey, it's done. By the way, the judge was so relieved because she had been getting so many emails from people about this case. Apparently, like, a ton of people were emailing the judge all the time, like, who don't like me. And if anything, to me, it sounds like my attorney and I, we were kind of joking. It's like, is that why they offered us this, to get this off their plate, because it was so annoying of a case for them? And so we're like, well, maybe we owe a thank you to all the people who were emailing with hate or whatever. So thank you to those people.
Did you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Apparently the judge was getting all these freaking emails, probably phone calls, and everybody was just trying to hammer the freaking courts to get more information and to make Meet Kevin look bad. And you know what happened? They said, well, we've got 43,000 other cases to deal with, and we have all of these crazy nut jobs who have nothing better to do than to call the state of Florida to complain about me, Kevin. Let's just go ahead and settle this and get this out the freaking door. You clowns are the reason that he got away with it. The state didn't want to deal with all you morons calling in. Just think about it. If you had 43,000 cases, apparently in 2022, 43, almost 44,000 cases, and there's one case and you're just getting phone calls and harassment and blah, 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 and you got a bunch of nut jobs that are mad because they bought a firm or something, of course they're going to toss the case out, okay? They got other crap to deal with. He didn't kill anybody. This wasn't the worst offense in human history. They got better things to deal with, like murder and whatever, okay? So don't get mad. Don't shake your fist at me, Kevin. Don't shake your fist at the injustice of the world. Don't shake your fist at the unfairness of white privilege or whatever you think it is. Blame yourselves for this, because your calls, your emails, your stupid harassment is what really caused this to go away. Good job, everybody.